Today we are going to solve and explain one extra question from Larna's comet. Here is the question. ABCD is a parallelogram. The side AB is produced to E so that BE and BC they are equal, and BA is produced to F so that AF and AD they are equal. We have to show that EC and FD when produced meet at right angle. That means we have to prove angle G is equal to 90 degree. Let us prove it. We will start from this triangle BEC. In triangle BEC we have, it is given BE is equal to BC. It is given, and when these two sides are equal, their opposite angles must be equal. So we can say angle BEC is equal to angle BCE. BEC is equal to BCE angle, because angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are always equal, that we know. So BEC angle and BC angle they are equal, and when both the angles are equal, let both equal to x degree. So both equal to x degree, so this is x, this is also x, and when both these angles x degree, so this angle ABC, we can say this angle is the exterior angle of this triangle, so this will be 2x degree. So directly we can write ABC angle, which is the exterior angle of this triangle, that is equal to BEC angle plus BCE angle, BEC angle plus BCE angle by exterior angle theorem. By exterior angle theorem. So angle ABC is equal to, this is x degree, this is also x degree, so ABC angle is equal to 2x degree. Let us suppose it to be result 1. Now we will take up this triangle DFA. Again in triangle DFA. In this triangle we have, this is given, AF is equal to AD. AF is equal to AD, that is given. And when AF and AD equal, their opposite angles are also equal. So that means AFD angle AFD angle is equal to ADF. AFD angle is equal to ADF. Why? Angles opposite to equal sides. We know that angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal, and when both are equal, let both equal to AFD is equal to ADF, both equal to y degree. And when both are equal to y degree, then this exterior angle, which is the exterior angle of this triangle DAB, therefore angle DAB, which is equal to AFD plus ADF. This DAB angle is equal to AFD plus ADF by exterior angle theorem, or we can write exterior angle property. So DAB angle, we have supposed AFD angle as y degree, so this is y, this is also y. So finally DAB angle is equal to 2y degree, suppose it to be result 1. Now in parallelogram, this is 2i degree. In this parallelogram, DAB angle, or first we will write ABC angle plus DAB angle is equal to 180 degree, because we know in a parallelogram these are co-interior angles. So ABC angle plus DAB angle is equal to 180 degree because they are co-interior angles. And ABC we have got ABC 2x degree. So 2x degree plus DAB we have got 2y degree, that is equal to 180, using 1 and 2. So 2 if you take common, then x degree plus y degree is equal to 180. That means x degree plus y degree is equal to 180 by 2, that is 90 degree. Now x degree, that means this angle BEC angle, that is angle E in single letter we can write, and angle y degree means this single letter we can write it as this F angle. So angle F is 90 degree. Suppose it to be result 3. Now by the angle sum property of a triangle, we can say angle E plus angle F plus angle G is equal to 180 degree by the angle sum property of a triangle. Now angle E plus angle F, already we have got 90 degree. So 90 degree plus G is equal to 180 degree. That means angle G, we are getting 180 minus 90 degree. That means angle G is equal to 90 degree. So finally we can say, therefore we can say EC and FD, when they are produced, meet at right angle, and that is proved. So we have proved angle G is 90 degree. That means EC and FD, when they are produced, they meet at right angle, and that is proved.